In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the shape of an image on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to preview your new look so you can keep your site feeling polished and on brand. Start on your Squarespace dashboard. From here, click Website, then click Pages. This takes you to the list of all the pages on your site, so you can quickly find the spot where your image lives. It helps to know the exact page and section you want to update, especially if you have multiple similar images across your site. Open the page where you want to change the shape of an image. Once you're on that page, look to the top left and click Edit. This switches the page into editing mode and reveals the on-page controls you'll need. You'll see outlines, handles, and other editing tools appear over your content, which is your cue that you're in the right place to make design changes. Now, double-click the image you want to update. This opens the Image Settings panel. At the top of that panel, navigate to the Design tab. The Design tab is where Squarespace groups visual controls like layout, spacing, and, in this case, shape options. Taking a second to confirm you're on Design will save you from hunting through the content settings. Inside the Design tab, find the Shape option. Click it, and then select the new shape you want. As you make a selection, you'll see the image preview update right away on the page, so you can instantly judge whether a circle, a rounded rectangle, or another available style best complements your layout. If your image is tightly cropped, be aware that some shapes can emphasize certain parts of the photo more than others. Choose the option that highlights the subject cleanly and suits the overall vibe of your section. When you've selected the shape you like, that's it. The image will now display in the new shape. This is a quick, effective way to add personality to your design, create visual variety between sections, or maintain consistency if you're standardizing a look across your site. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the same Design tab and pick a different shape just as easily. And that's all. You clicked Website, then Pages, opened the page, entered Edit mode, double-clicked the image, went to the Design tab, selected Shape, and chose the new look. Simple, clean, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy refining your Squarespace design.